Hi everyone, welcome back to the Frugal Watchbox channel. Today, we'll be comparing two of Casio's affordable WR 100 meters digital watches. The W-737H, with module number 3488, available for $23 in the gray market, and the MWD-110H, which uses module 3517 and is priced at $30, slightly more expensive than the W-737H. We'll discuss the price difference later in the review. I bought these watches about a year ago and have only worn them occasionally. Let's start with the W-737H and talk about the case size. The case size is about 45.7 millimeters, with a lug-to-lug distance of around 51.9 millimeters. It has a thickness of approximately 14 millimeters, a lug width of about 18 millimeters, and it weighs around 46 grams. The case and bezel are made of resin, which feels durable and long-lasting, and the glass is also made of resin. On the right side, there are two large, easily accessible buttons to control split time and toggle between start and stop. On the left side, there are two similar buttons for adjusting and changing modes. At the top of the case, you'll see the illuminator imprint, and below that is the large, easy access light button. On the display panel, the Casio logo and the 10-year battery imprint are at the top, while the alarm WR and chrono imprints are at the bottom. The LCD display shows the day, month, and date at the top, with the WR100M imprint just below. There are two small circular dials, one for the alarm indicator and the other for the second indicator. Below the WR100M imprint, there's an hourly chime indicator, and further down are the hour, minute, and second indicators in large digits. The overall design is sporty, tough, and sturdy. The band is made of hard, durable resin, including the retainer. It uses a double-hole system with twin prongs on the buckle to maintain a strong hold. The buckle itself is made of black hard plastic. The stainless steel caseback has imprints of the Casio logo, model number, module number, and water resistance rating. This watch offers features such as dual time, a stopwatch, countdown timer, daily alarm with hourly chime, amber LED light with afterglow, full auto calendar up to the year 2099, 12/24 hour format, 100-meter water resistance, and a 10-year battery life from the CR 2023 battery. Now, let's move on to the MWD-110H and discuss its case size. The case size is about 47.2 millimeters, which is slightly larger than the W-737H. It has a lug-to-lug distance of around 50.8 millimeters, so the W-737H has a slightly longer lug size. The thickness is about 12.3 millimeters, making the W-737H thicker by 1.7 millimeters. The lug width is around 18 millimeters, and the weight is approximately 50 grams, which is 4 grams heavier than the W-737H. The case, bezel, and glass are made of hard resin, which feels tough and reliable. The silver bezel appears to be a separate resin component from the case, making the watch stand out. On the right side, there are two stainless steel buttons to control reset, start, split, and stop functions, as seen on the outer display panel.
On the left side,
There are 2 buttons for mode and adjust, with additional functions for select and set. Like the W-737H, the MWD-110H has the illuminator imprint at the top of the case and a large light button at the bottom. The alarm WR and chrono imprints are located just above the light button, with the Casio logo and 10-year battery imprints at the top. Similar to the W-737H, the LCD panel shows the day, month, and date in the same arrangement as the W-737H. Below that is the WR100M imprint, followed by the alarm indicator. The second indicators are displayed in bars, and there's an oval gauge divided into 4 parts representing the timer, stopwatch, alarm, and dual time functions. A small bell indicator on the left shows when the hourly signal is active. Below that, large indicators display the hour, minute, and second. Overall, the watch is well made, with a robust and stylish design. The band is made of resin and has a single-hole system with a single prong, unlike the W-737H's double prong. However, the quality is the same, hard and tough. The buckle is also made of resin and does not have the Casio logo. The stainless steel caseback has imprints of the Casio logo, model number, module number, and water resistance rating. The MWD-110H offers features such as dual time, a stopwatch, countdown timer, alarm with hourly time signal, amber LED light with afterglow, full auto calendar up to the year 2099, 12/24 hour format, 100-meter water resistance, and a 10-year battery life from the CR 2025 battery. When comparing them side by side, the W-737H has a sportier look, reminiscent of the G-Shock line, while the MWD-110H offers a more refined, futuristic design. The W-737H has a smaller but thicker case, giving it a more compact feel. Both watches feature similar black buckles, though neither has the Casio logo on them. The amber LED lights with afterglow are also identical, as is the alarm sound, with both having similar loudness and duration. On the wrist, both watches feel a bit large on my 6.5-inch wrist, but the W-737H has a slightly better presence due to its compact design. To sum up, here's a brief comparison between the 2 watches. The W-737H, priced at $23, and the MWD-110H, priced at $30, share many of the same features, including 100-meter water resistance, dual time, a countdown timer, a stopwatch, an hourly chime, and a 10-year battery life. However, their designs set them apart. The W-737H has a sportier look, reminiscent of the G-Shock line, while the MWD-110H features a more refined and futuristic design. In terms of size, the W-737H has a smaller but thicker case, making it more compact, while the MWD-110H has a larger, slimmer profile. Both watches use similar black buckles without the Casio logo, and their amber LED lights with afterglow are identical. Even the alarm sound is similar in both, with matching loudness and duration. On the wrist, both watches are a bit large for smaller wrists like mine, which measures 6.5 inches. However, the W-737H feels a bit more balanced and has a better presence due to its compact design. The MWD-110H, with its larger case and additional metal buttons, offers a bolder look but might suit those with bigger wrists more comfortably. The MWD-110H's modern design and added features justify its slightly higher price, making it ideal for those looking for a more stylish option. I think that's the end of the video for today. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one. If you found the video useful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Bye for now.